Hey everyone, just an update on the house and putting the house up for sale. We met with a realtor about a week and a half ago, and we discussed the process of marketing our house, what we need to do. So we've done more declutter. I know my husband had shown you some video before. Well, we decluttered even more. So this is his man cave. I don't know if it was a different color last time, but it was a darker color. Now it's this color, pale blue. And some things have been taken out. So I'm gonna walk you through the house to show you a lot of the things that we've decluttered. In this room, I know he had did a video of the suitcase and the table, so it's totally cleared out. So we go over to this room. It's totally cleared out. So 2 rooms down, 2 more to go. We've taken a lot of things out of our primary room. So when we have pictures taken, most of this will probably be gone. Take you downstairs. Here's our first fur baby, Willow. Come on, go. And over here, a chair table. This is what they would have been the dining room, but we never used it as the dining room. Taking you to the kitchen. We pretty much been using paper plates, paper cups to try to keep dishes down. All right, eating sitting area. There's the second fur baby, Harley, who will be coming with us. And this is the family room. There's a little echo because a lot of things have been taken off the wall. So we will have the house put on the market this coming Wednesday. So we're gonna have pictures taken tomorrow. So that's why a lot of the things have been taken off the wall, because when you get ready to put your house on the market, you really want it to be decluttered. You don't want anything on the walls, on the shelves. So whoever's coming in to look at your home, they can picture themselves here. So that's why everything is bright, clean. You know, we painted a lot of things. So if you have questions, shoot us a comment, an email. Please like and subscribe. And hopefully we'll see you in Ecuador.
Thank you.
Thank you.